So I've only had the DEEBOT for one day and it ran for about 2 hours. And I'm just gonna empty the bin that collects the debris from the floor. It's actually pretty clever. There's a brush that can actually be removed. And you can see that there's a bunch of, I guess, dog hairs and fuzz that you can take out, which I'll do in a minute. And but it picked up all kinds of stuff, including this piece. And let's see what else we have in here. And the piece that collects all the debris is this piece. It slides out, and it does quite a job, boy, I'll tell you that. Look at this. So all the debris gets collected in here, and this is just from 2 hours of doing a hardwood floor. It actually did a fantastic job, boy. It even went back into the holder automatically, like they say it does. But it's doing a fantastic job picking up. It's got these rotating brushes, and it comes with a spare set of brushes in the box. And also, it comes with a spare filter, just like this, which is great. So does a great job cleaning. You can see all the little stuff there. So it's great that it came with the extra filter, the extra brushes. It does a great job cleaning up. First day's impression, real happy with it. I think you'd like it too.